Right, management, we are at Sharlies Nest. We're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television in the living room. Now this is a smart enabled TV. So this is the remote for the TCL. Just so you all know, the volume control is located on the side of the remote. Took me a bit to figure that out. So you'd have the Netflix, Hulu, Prime. You'll need to log in using your account information. And as you can scroll through, that's all there. You've got the home, you've got the settings, and down below we have a Blu-ray DVD player. So as you scroll up, you can go through and take a look what's available. If you need to change, if for whatever reason the network lost its connection to the TV, you can go through and then update and then put in the information related to the network that's here. Under the home, you're going to have the HDMI 3, which is going to be the Blu-ray player. So then you just go ahead and use your OK button. And there's the Blu-ray player. So if you have any further questions and need assistance of any kind, you can reach out to us. I'm going to push the home button. The number in the office, it's 208-634. Cheers.